Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for August 21st through September 2nd. August 21st to 25th. The pattern which persisted much of the month will persist. And we have a building ridge over the Pacific with teleconnects with a trough near Western Canada and an amplified trough in the eastern U.S. The trough is forecast to rapidly fill during this period due to what's going upstream. We have a ridge here over the Western Atlantic that builds closer to the eastern U.S. And we're going to look at that. We're at the 25th. And you can see we have a ridge here. Now this kind of a pattern was discussed earlier, I think last week. The NCEP models are showing emerging MJO over the eastern Indian Ocean in phase 3, and the composites for this time frame show an increase of moisture in the Mississippi Valley, drier air along the east coast, possibly caused by an upper ridge, or perhaps the Bermuda High backing in, and that's what we're going to be having. During this period, we have a cold front that will bring showers and storms to the eastern U.S. early in the period. Some of the rainfall could be heavy in the southeast and the mid-Atlantic. Rainfall will also be possible across the northern areas of the west to the Great Lakes. Rainfall is also possible for portions of the southern plains. The northern and central plains may experience cool temperatures with anomalies of 10 to 15 degrees below normal, and the cold air will eventually spread eastward with lower anomalies. August 24th to 28th. We're looking at the 25th. We still have a nearly zone of flow across much of the nation. We have a ridge here and also a ridge here. And we have near to above normal heights across much of the nation. We also have a trough near the Bering Sea. What some of the models are showing, you can see it here. And we have a ridge over Western Canada, Eastern Canada, and the Northeast. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the country, with anomalies are forecast to be near 12 degrees above normal, mainly in the west, lower anomalies elsewhere. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 45%. And we have above normal precipitation focus for this region, the upper Mississippi Valley, and for this region here, probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. Now we're going to look at the period for August 29th to September 2nd. And the forecast is forecast to amplify during this period. You can see right here we have a strong ridge that will be developing near the Aleutians. We have a trough here over Western Canada into the northwest, and we have above normal heights with the ridge here in the east. Most of the models are good agreement with that, except for here you can see this is the NAEFS, which has a trough again confined over Canada. And so does the European ensembles. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here for the northwest. Forecast anomalies of up to 6 degrees above normal. And above normal temperatures are forecast for the remainder of the nation. And forecast anomalies will be 12 degrees or more. You can see 18 degrees anomalies forecast for mainly for the west and for the plains. Lower anomalies elsewhere. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and here. And the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. And we have above normal precipitation forecast for the Four Corners, the upper Mississippi Valley, the southeast, the lower mid-Atlantic, and nearby areas of the Ohio Valley. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's, I think, to be mainly here, because some of the models showing below normal precipitation, but I'm going with persistence at this time because it's been raining here a long time. And what's to say what's going to stop it right now? So probability occurrence here is 35 to 45%, so I'm a little hesitant here. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for, oh, I forgot to mention. Also, we have this ridge. Let me go back to the maps. We have a ridge here that energy might ride around the ridge and bring some moisture into portions of the southwest areas that need it. So we have to wait and see how that happens. Okay, that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 21st through September 2nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.